Hey crochet friends, today I'm going to show you the magic knot. So the first thing you need to do is place 2 yarn strands parallel to each other and make sure the ends are overlapping about 6 inches. Take the bottom strand of yarn and wrap it around the top strand of yarn and tie a simple overhand knot. It's just like the first part of tying your shoelaces. Pull the knot nice and tight. Okay, now take the top strand of yarn and wrap it around the bottom strand of yarn, and again just use a simple overhand knot. Pull that knot nice and tight. Now gently pull both yarn strands in the opposite directions, and the 2 knots will slide toward each other and lock into place. Now grab your scissors, and you can cut the yarn tails all the way off. Tug firmly and make sure it's secure, and if it's done correctly, it won't budge or come undone. The magic knot can be used for tons of things. It can be used for joining a new skein, color changes, scrap yarn projects, amigurumi, continuous yarn balls, tapestry crochet, and weaving projects. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you'll subscribe and you'll like my video, and I will see you next time.